Hello students, welcome back to our channel Uttaram Education. Today in this video, we will learn about the top weekly current affairs dated from 1st June to 7th June. And this video is completely available in English language. Let's get into the video. Our first question is, Ministry of Jal Shakti has approved the grant of 445 crores for the implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission on which state? Options are Punjab, Chhattisgarh, Haryana, Goa. So answer is Chhattisgarh. Next question. Who is the only cricket player featured in Forbes top 100 highest paid athletes of 2020? This list is topped by Roger Federer. Options are MS Dhoni, Chris Gayle, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma. The answer is Virat Kohli. Which ministry has partnered with TCS Ion to offer free online career skills training through MCS portal? Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Ministry of Personal, Public Grievances and Pensions, Ministry of Labour and Employment. So TCS Ion is partnered with Ministry of Labour and Employment. Which Indian state has signed Memorandum of Understanding with industries and business chambers to promote MSME sector and provide employment for migrant workers? Options are Jharkhand, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. So answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next, Kiranjit Kaur, who was banned for 4 years due violation of anti-doping rule. She is associated with which sport? Pole vault, shot put, long distance runner, wrestling. So she belongs to long distance runner. Next, where is headquarters of World Anti-Doping Agency located? Montreal, Geneva, Tokyo, Beijing. So World Anti-Doping Agency headquartered at Montreal. Next, what is the capital and currency of South Sudan? Khartoum and pound, Tripoli and dinar, Ankara and lira, Juba and pound. So South Sudan capital is Juba and the currency is pound. S-Bank partnered with which company app to launch contactless travel card? Abibus, Cleartip, Make My Trip, Chalo. So S-Bank has partnered with Chalo company. Next, find the first private company which has sent astronauts into the space. Airlaunch, SpaceX, Kinetic, Blue Origin. So SpaceX was the first private company to send astronauts into space. When was the World Milk Day celebrated annually? June 2nd, May 29, May 30, June 1st. June 1st is celebrated as World Milk Day. And the theme for the year 2020 is 20th anniversary of World Milk Day. Which among the following is the world's oldest known land animal as per research published in the journal Historical Biology? So world's oldest known land animal. Options are Campecharys obenesis, Aldabrachylis gigantea, Sebastus elutinus, Sominosus microcephalus. Here you can see the oldest land animal. It is Campecharys obenesis. Next one. Kheer Bhavani Mela is celebrated in which state or union territory? This is Kheer Bhavani Mela. Andaman and Nicobar, Uttar Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. So this festival is celebrated in Jammu and Kashmir. Next one. Name the world's largest contact tracing app. The Wire, Arogya Setu, Go Back, Digi Contacts. So it was the Arogya Setu. Next one. Where is the headquarters of Food and Agriculture Organization located? Geneva, Vienna, London, Rome. So Geneva is the headquarters of World Trade Organization, World Health Organization, so on. And Vienna is headquarters of OPEC, London, Amnesty International, and Rome is headquarters of Food and Agriculture Organization. Next, the cabinet has approved increase in MSP, minimum support price. Full form of MSP is minimum support price, which will be given for farmers at a level of at least dash times of all India weighted average cost of production. 1.5 times, 2 times, 1.75, 2.25. So they want to raise the price to 1.5 times. Next, what is the revised turnover limit of medium enterprises? Recently, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, she has revised the capital and turnover for MSME industries. So these are the new list. Category for micro enterprises, the old capital to require to start a micro company is 25 lakh and the new capital is 1 crore. The old turnover is 10 lakh, new turnover 5 crore. For small enterprises, the old capital is 5 crore and the new capital is 10 crore. And the old turnover is 2 crore, new turnover is 550 crore. For medium enterprises, the old capital is 10 crores and the new capital is 50 crores. Old turnover 5 crores, new turnover 250 crores. So here they have asked about medium enterprises. So the revised turnover, that means the new turnover is 250 crores. Name the special microcredit facility scheme launched by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs for providing affordable learning to street vendors. PM Nidhi, PM Swamitwa, PM Swachh, PM Swanidhi. So the scheme was PM Swanidhi. Pradhan Mantri Street Vendor Atmanirbhar Nidhi. Next one, what is the rank of India in country's global ranking of startup ecosystem 2020? Report released by Startup Blink. 23, 17, 6, 35. So the rank of India is 23rd. It was topped by United States. Find the state, find the city which has topped among Indian cities in 2020 cities global ranking of startup ecosystem. Chennai, Bengaluru, Mumbai, New Delhi. It was Bengaluru. Name the multi-purpose algae-based respirator which was developed by Punjab-based University LPU. Breather Oxygeno Respirator Lumos. So algae-based respirator is Oxygeno. Next, which ministry has released the e-booklet titled 1 Year of Modi 2.0 towards a self-reliant India? Ministry of Human Resource and Development, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. So the e-booklet was released by Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Next one, name the portal which was launched by Pradhan Mantri Modi to help the smaller MSMEs by resolving their grievances and the complaints received on the portal. Options are Garud, Hope, Champions, Saras. So it was Champions. The full form of Champions is creation and harmonious application of modern process for increasing output and national strength. Next one, Gir National Park is in which state? Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat. It was located in Gujarat. The India's first dolphin observatory is planned to be launched in which state? Odisha, Manipur, Bihar, Mizoram. It was in Bihar. Next, which ministry has launched Paisa, portal for affordable credit and interest subvention access portal? Ministry of Home Affairs, Health and Family Affairs, Social Justice and Empowerment, Housing and Urban Affairs. So Paisa portal, it was launched by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Which is the first Indian state to declare internet as fundamental right? Maharashtra, Goa, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. So the first state to declare internet is Kerala. Next, Kondapochamma Sagar project was inaugurated in which state? Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. It was inaugurated in Telangana. Next one, name the longest expressway which is likely to be completed by 2021. Yamuna Expressway, Delhi Meerut Expressway, Himalayan Expressway, Purvanchal Expressway. It was Purvanchal Expressway. Which country has proposed the idea of G7 plus 3 named as 10 democracies, D10? United States, Russia, Germany, United Kingdom. So it was the United Kingdom that proposed 10 democracies. Which Indian writer has won 2020 Commonwealth Short Story Prize for Asia region for the story The Great Indian Tea and Snakes? Varsha Adalja, Meena Alexander, Kritika Pandey, Smita Agarwal. So the answer is Kritika Pandey. Who has won the 2020 Christophe Merieux Prize? Qureisha Abdul Karim, Charles Kawo, Aika Jessen, Ellen Barr. It was Qureisha Abdul Karim. The International Sex Workers Day was observed every year on June 2nd, June 20, June 22nd, May 20. It was observed on June 2nd. A team of Archaeological Survey of India has discovered a 1100-year-old monolithic sandstone Shivalingam. In which country? Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar. It was discovered in Vietnam. Where is headquarters of Archaeological Survey of India? Kolkata, Mumbai, Bangalore, New Delhi. It was headquartered at New Delhi. Which among the following countries is not the part of G7? Canada, Germany, Italy, India. So India is not the part of G7. Name the skill mapping exercise launched by Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Ministry along with Civil Aviation Ministry and External Affairs Ministry under Vande Bharat Mission. The skill mapping exercise was Swadesh. Which port trust was renamed as Shyam Prasad Mukherjee Port Trust? Approved by Union Cabinet. Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Cochin. It was the Kolkata Port Trust which was renamed as Shyam Prasad Mukherjee Port Trust. Which state has launched Spandan campaign for police? Punjab, Goa, Haryana, Chhattisgarh. It was the Chhattisgarh that launched Spandan campaign. Who was appointed as the brand ambassador of Adidas recently? Monashi Chilla, Priyanka Chopra, Yukta Mukhi, Diana Hayden. It was Monashi Chilla. Former Miss World Monashi Chilla joined the global initiative #Red Challenge campaign recently. Which organization launched this campaign? IMF, International Monetary Fund, United Nations Industrial Development Organization, United Nations Children's Fund, Food and Agriculture Organization. It was UNICEF. Who authored the book titled The Dry Fasting Miracle from Deprived to Thrive? Luke Coutinho, Deepak Chopra, John Ratey, Brian Keane. It was Luke Coutinho. Neeraj Chopra belonged to which sport? Javelin throw, pole vault, hammer throw, shot put. He belongs to javelin throw. Which ministry has launched Nagar One scheme on the occasion of World Environmental Day? Ministry of Science and Technology, Earth Sciences, Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Tribal Affairs. It was the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. And the theme is biodiversity. Name the country which proposed the name Nisarga to cyclone which hit part of India's west coast, Gujarat and Maharashtra. India, Bangladesh, Thailand, Myanmar. So the Nisarga was named by the country Bangladesh. Who has been named as Entrepreneur World Entrepreneur of the Year 2020? Dilip Sangvi, Shivnada, Narayana, Kiran Mazumdar Shah. It was Kiran Mazumdar Shah. She is the CEO of Biocon Limited. Who is the only Indian ranked among the Forbes 100 World's Highest Paid Celebrities 2020? Which was topped by Kylie Jenner, Akshay Kumar, Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Priyanka Chopra. It was Akshay Kumar. Friends, these are the top current affairs from the week. Hope if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel Yuvatharam Education. You can follow us on Facebook /Yuvatharam Education and Instagram /Yuvatharam Education for more updates. Thank you. Jai Hind.